Welcome back to Bikehead. Today we're diving into something absolutely massive and mind-blowing, the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury fortress built to dominate highways, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. If you thought you've seen big RVs before, think again. The Thunderbone 12x12 is on another level. Bold exterior and 12x12 drivetrain power. The 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 Motorhome is engineered to stand out instantly. Its aggressive front fascia, reinforced steel frame, and towering ride height make it look more like a military expedition vehicle than a typical RV. The real headline feature is the 12x12 drivetrain, 12 wheels powered for ultimate traction and control. Whether you're crossing rocky trails, sandy deserts, snowy highways, or remote wilderness paths, this motorhome is built to conquer terrain that ordinary RVs wouldn't dare approach. Massive all-terrain tires, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension ensure stability and smooth control even under heavy load. This is adventure without limits. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Thunderbone is rumored to pack a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced automatic transmission system. With immense torque output, it's designed to move this giant machine confidently and smoothly. Despite its enormous size, Toyota's advanced engineering focuses on optimized fuel efficiency and long-range capability. Large fuel tanks ensure you can travel long distances without constant stops. Adaptive driving modes allow you to switch between highway comfort and extreme off-road readiness in seconds. This motorhome isn't just about size, it's about smart performance. Luxury interior living space. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium apartment on wheels. The interior is designed with high-end materials, modern lighting, and intelligent space management. The living area features